And finally, my image to sketch animation app is live on Microsoft Store. You might have already seen the previous demo, which is available here as well. And I'll definitely put this particular link where you'll get all the apps which I have developed as part of my open source projects. But yeah, now let's talk about my image to sketch animation, where you can upload an image and you can generate whiteboard sketch style animation. So now let's click on this particular button, which is get it from Microsoft Store. And once you open that, and if you are on Windows, it will prompt you to download. Otherwise, you can click on cancel. You can click on this particular button, view in store. So it will open up your Microsoft Store app, and it's available on Windows 10 and 11. And you can simply click on get and it will try to download that. But I have already installed this, and this particular version is having some new features. Let's talk about that as well. Now let me launch my app. Go to your start menu, click on all, and it will be something like image to animation offline, something like this. Open this app. And now let's talk about the new features first. So I have introduced this preferences button. Once you click on that, you will get few options. And the first option is end color. That means if you use a colorful image, and if this is on, the color image will be shown at the end of the sketch. And if you turn it off, a black and white, I'll say sketch version will be shown. And if you have seen my previous video, you'll see that there will be a hand on your sketch video. You can now turn it off so that only the sketch will happen. There will be no hand in the video. That is also possible. And I've introduced something called 1080 or Full HD Max Resolution. For example, I have a very high definition image, and if I generate a video, maybe 4K, 8K, something like that, the video generation process will be really slow. So that is why I've introduced this. It will reduce your video resolution up to 1080p max depending on the orientation, maybe portrait or landscape. Let's turn this on for now. Hand on video. Let's turn on all of them and let's upload an image. And one more feature, previously it was using app's own file explorer. Instead of that, now I have introduced the native file picker, and let's go to maybe pictures, and maybe let's take this one. And just to show you this image is having 2080 in width and height is 800, which is non-standard obviously. So let's use that image for now. Click on open, and it is saying your target video resolution will be Full HD. And you can change your video speed. Just for our demonstration, I'll make it a little bit faster. And this end image duration, if you know it, so for how many seconds you want to show your color image. So for example, it will be 1 second maybe. And as I've turned on this end color, so that should show the color image. And let's click on submit and wait for it. And I have also introduced this progress bar just to monitor how much time it may take. And here we go. Now it is doing the sketch, and after this, the color image is shown on the video. You can download this video, click on this, download it anywhere, maybe desktop, and click on this tick mark, it will be downloaded. And here is our video. You can change your speed and other settings as per your need. You can check the documentation directly from this app. Once you go into this menu, and if you click on documentation, it will take you to the blogging page where I've described all the parameters and other stuffs in a table. And yes, now let's turn off the hand, and maybe now let's turn off the 1080p max, and let's see what happens. Click OK, and the same image is now selected. Speed is fine. Now let's click on submit button. Now you see there is no hand, only the sketch is happening, and at the end the color image is shown, whereas the previous one had the hand in the video. So these are some new features which I have added. Let me know in the comment section how you feel about this. Thanks for watching. See you in some next amazing topics.